Good morning guys. Let's take a cup of coffee with Zyros Kent Baliero, and we will have this vlogging activities for today. And you know what guys, ang Pilipino ay kilala sa katangiang naiiba sa lahat. Ang alin? Ang Pilipino ay kilala sa pagiging malinis. Mantakin mo naman guys, tinapay na tinapay, ini-sterilize. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo kaming dalawa guys. So sterilize mo na yung tinapay mo. Yan. Yan. Pagiging malinis. Malinis talaga ang Pinoy guys. Then kakainin yan guys. Diba? Sarap. Ganyan ang Pinay. Ganyan ang Pinoy. Malinis. Saan mang sulok ng mundo, ang Pinoy ay malinis. But sad to say, kasi ang pinagsawsawan ng tinapay, hihigupin rin pala. Diba? Saan doon ang malinis? Saan doon ang malinis ay? May malinis ba doon? Wala?
Meron.
Saan? Okay na sana yun, no? Sinawsaw, ini-sterilize. Ang problema, yung pinaghigupan, iniinom din pala. Ngek, ngek, ngek. Yan guys, yan po ang aming pinagkakabalhan ngayong umaga with Zyros.
Isa pa.
Yan, Zyros Baliero. Sige, isa pa. Sterilize again ang tinapay. Wala kaming nabiling pambansang tinapay ng Pilipinas dahil walang available sa aming lugar. So, let's dip it into the coffee, cup of coffee. Yan guys. Then, tear it with our teeth.
And open your teeth.
Then, dip it again. Then, higupin ang pinagsawsawan. Saan ka pa? Yan ang Pinoy. So again guys, thank you so much for this wonderful morning, for this vlog that we had with Zyros Kent, and hope guys that you will continue to support and follow our page, and also you may visit the YouTube. What is ang tawag sa'yo? YouTuber kasi din tong batang to guys, bago lang niya nagawa sa YouTube Kids, YouTube for Kids. Follow nyo po Arnold Kulas para po madagdagan ang kanyang subscribers. And also, you may visit also my YouTube channel, Rolly Amazing TV.
I-subscribe nyo rin ako.
Ayan guys, subscribe daw ninyo si Ken Arnold Kulas. Okay? So, i-upload ko na lang po. I-upload ko na lang po dito sa aking page na to guys para matulungan nyo rin po si Kent Zyros sa kanyang YouTube for Kid Arnold Kulas. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant morning. Don't forget to follow, share, and likes, and subscribe na rin po ninyo ang aking page so that the more subscription, the more likes and followers, the more success of my page. That would means more videos that we could upload over here on my Facebook page, Rolly Ampang. Thank you very much. Till next time, only here on my Facebook page. Bye for now, guys. Thank you so much, Zyros. invite mo na rin sila sa iyong YouTube channel.
Invite po kayo, Arnold Kulas.
And then, follow and subscribe. Bye for now, guys!
Bye-bye.